Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: cables plugged, power stable, and your PC set to the correct resolution and refresh rate. Once done, press the monitor's menu button or joystick to open the OSD. This is where you actually change settings. Make sure you note the current profile or reset point so you can revert. You're starting inside the OSD now. Navigate to the primary tab such as Picture or Color to begin deliberate adjustments. Now you'll modify core picture and color parameters. First, choose a picture mode. Pick user if you want hands-on control. Presets are fine for quick swaps. Then change brightness and contrast in small steps to avoid clipping. Adjust gamma for mid-tone balance. Next, open color settings. Set color temperature or use RGB sliders to dial white balance. Make targeted changes and compare. You can save adjustments to a custom profile. Once satisfied, finish by enabling features like adaptive sync or overdrive if your monitor and GPU support them. These affect motion and input lag. Save your adjustments to the monitor's custom profile so changes persist after power cycles. Then validate with varied content, games, video, and desktop work. If colors or refresh behave oddly, make sure cables and GPU drivers are current. Swap ports or cables to isolate the issue. As a last resort, use the factory reset. Then reapply your tune settings and test again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.